Welcome back and thanks for staying with us, and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first tonight, broken but not bitter. The reaction of the mother of one of two young boys who were killed after a gunman shot up the taxi that was taking them home from school on Monday. Now, she spoke with TVJ News about the incident even as the National Security Minister and security forces toured the Salt Spring community in St. James, where the shooting happened. Krista Campbell has the details.
I am broken. I am deeply hurt. I am hurt to the core, and why I'm so hurt, it is because the driver took him past his house into another community.
A mother swimming in sorrow as she tries to cope with news that her 9-year-old son, Nakolive Eromeo Smith, lost his life while being taken home from school Monday afternoon. His father, however, wants a little more understanding for the taxi driver.
It looked like him jump off on the street, go up by Megitap, and when he come back down now, he take the lane, and then he drop out, run a repass, and then he go back at work. So it looked like he might do it the easiest way if go back at work early. So I don't want them whole driver run some ferry like Kasi, because any driver would not look the easiest way to get his job done.
Another little boy, 7-year-old Justin Perry, was also killed in Monday's shooting, but police say 26-year-old Tevin Hale was the target of the attack that's said to be reprisal for a previous double murder.
It was a person of interest.
Okay. Since the murder of the other guy, the police will be examining all the intent they have and all the personalities involved, the criminal character they have in the area. And they take action.
The criminal they killed, because another criminal were shot through the head. Of course, they were using assault rifles, and the kids were, of course, exposed and died in the process.
They must have seen that he's just a child. Children were in the car. They must have seen it. They must have known that the driver brings children, and they must have seen those students in the car. But because they are heartless, they just shoot it up and kill him.
The guy them who do it, them know me. Because my family boy, me they run taxi up here. And me know say, them feel it, and right now, anyway them there, me know say they know in no peace, because me know them sorry. But I just a life go, leave everything in God's hand.
We are not bad people, but when I pray this in the morning, I say, God, something is going to happen. I just feel a deep emptiness inside. Even while driving to work, I was just saying, God, what is going to happen? I said, God, don't give me more than what I can bear.
In the meantime, the police commissioner says every resource is being used to catch those responsible.
We have some good leads. I'm not going to say too much, because obviously we're after the people who did it. And we will continue to deploy persons in the various spaces that we know where the challenge is, and keep things under control until such time. We had a briefing at the military base where we do a lot of the work that we do jointly, and it should lead to operations, not should, but will lead to operations on the ground that will cauterize things.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.
Now the